Observe that the truck experienced a mechanical failure and came to rest in the emergency lane. Notice how the two runners, dressed in white and black, maintain an exceptional pace, illustrating the importance of endurance training. Although the pig briefly avoided a fall from the three-wheeler, it was unable to evade the subsequent hazard, underscoring the need for secure animal transport. The preceding driver exhibited reckless behavior and was found to be driving with a blood alcohol concentration of 0.20 group per deciliters, demonstrating the critical dangers of impaired driving. The white vehicle was operating at excessive speed and weaving between lanes unsafely. As a result, the driver's license will be revoked and legal penalties applied. Even with one wheel missing, the loader maintains remarkable stability, showcasing the robust engineering designed to handle extreme conditions. The truck proceeded without noticing the car directly ahead, causing the smaller vehicle to rotate 360 degrees, an incident that highlights the need for vigilant forward monitoring. The driver admitted that distraction due to emotional distress, recalling past relationships, led to inattention and a collision with the vehicle ahead. Traffic police took preventive measures at the scene. Traffic officers admonished Mr. Xiaoyu for his violation and provided on-site education before transporting him to the traffic brigade for further processing. The following truck was tailgating at an unsafe distance, preventing adequate reaction time. Always maintain a safe following interval. A timber-laden truck overturned on a temporary bridge and became lodged between the guardrail and the riverbank, illustrating the risks of excessive speed on improvised structures. After executing a turn, the white car momentarily lost steering control, emphasizing the importance of proper vehicle maintenance and driver attentiveness. The driver's precision in executing this parking maneuver is exemplary and reflects advanced spatial awareness. A vehicle breakdown in the highway's center lane initiated a chain collision. One car failed to observe the stopped vehicle, and a second vehicle subsequently impacted the first, demonstrating the cascading hazards of unexpected stoppages. Firefighters extinguished the rear tire blaze with precise timing, underscoring the value of rapid response techniques. The fire-engulfed cargo area of the truck advanced toward the fire station, where firefighters promptly suppressed the flames on arrival. The black car's persistence in attempting a turn after missing the exit forced the following truck into an abrupt, evasive maneuver, highlighting the perils of indecisive driving. While navigating an intersection, a barrel of motor oil dislodged from a trailing vehicle. Fortunately, no injuries occurred. However, the subsequent oil spill then caused multiple motorists to lose traction. an example of compounded roadway dangers. A fully loaded fruit truck executed a sharp turn, causing its cargo to spill across the roadway and create a significant obstruction. Proper cornering speed is essential when transporting loose loads. The truck inadvertently entered a freshly laid asphalt zone, resulting in hot tar adhering to the tires, illustrating the need for clear signage on construction sites. Today's construction crew applied an unscheduled secondary concrete layer, providing an unintended reinforcement to the road surface. When driving at high speed, avoid sudden acceleration or abrupt steering changes. Maintain focus and anticipate potential emergencies. I have identified a structurally sound towing point on the vehicle that will streamline recovery efforts. However, window breakage is a likely consequence, so replacement glass must be available. The driver inadvertently entered a lake but safely exited the vehicle. This incident serves as a reminder to verify route clearance near bodies of water. A heavy truck initiated a lane change on a curve to overtake, while another vehicle braked suddenly. A second truck then collided between them, confirming that the first truck's maneuver was the primary cause of the accident. The truck occupying the full width of the lane prevented oncoming traffic from passing safely. Thus, the truck owner bears full responsibility. A shop entrance in Jiangtan, Hunan collapsed to a depth of nearly 5 meters, and a nearby tree fell into the resulting void, underscoring the importance of structural integrity inspections. This aged truck appears to be en route to a scrapyard, effectively marking its retirement from active service. An unsafe overtaking maneuver by the first truck forced an oncoming truck into a roadside ditch, illustrating the severe consequences of improper passing. A fully loaded grain truck lost its load following a sudden failure, transforming from a stable transporter to a significant roadway obstruction in mere minutes. The overloaded cargo bed exceeded the truck's capacity, akin to attempting to fit an oversized object into an inadequate space. Proper load limits must be observed. behavior of the white car's owner indicates a propensity for aggressive and volatile driving, traits that necessitate corrective education. The vehicle navigated a high concrete curb with remarkable skill, resembling a cinematic stunt. This demonstrates advanced driver control, but also carries inherent risks. After losing control, the vehicle was prevented from entering the river by the curb's position, highlighting how roadside barriers can avert more serious incidents. Following detachment, the pickup truck's bed was swiftly reattached to the chassis, exemplifying an effective emergency reassembly protocol. A parked car on the train tracks was struck by an oncoming train, yet the driver had already vacated the vehicle before impact, avoiding injury. The cargo on the truck's rear deck slid downhill uncontrollably, illustrating the critical need for secure tie-down methods. This section of roadway has subsided significantly, indicating substandard construction quality and the necessity for thorough foundation assessment. Excessive front cab loading shifts weight onto the front tires, raising the risk of tire failure. Proper weight distribution is essential for vehicle stability. A pine tree, when struck by an individual, caused damage to their car's side mirror, reminding us that even stationary roadside objects can pose hazards. The driver neglected to engage the parking brake on a hill, resulting in an uncontrolled roll. Fortunately, a roadside tree halted the vehicle, averting further damage. The heavy wheel loader became lodged in the middle of a stream at a river bend, demonstrating that even powerful machinery can be compromised by challenging terrain.
случайно.
Я понял, он прошел там. Сейчас вот там. Подожди. Сейчас вот здесь надо уходить на эту сторону. Да, направо надо уходить. Сейчас он вылай, вот, все, правильно пошел. Молодец.
Он влево получается.
Нет, сюда, направо. Направо, вот.